Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing RedK Trader Pressure Index. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RedK Trader Pressure Index. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 294 indicators, and out of those 294 indicators, 114 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 114 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so this indicator is the RedK Trader Pressure Index, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. This one was recommended by one of the viewers on the channel. And so what we have here is kind of a two-part system, and so I'm going to try to explain this as quick as I can so that way it doesn't eat up too much of the video time. And so what we are looking for is for this these peaks and valleys back here, these mountains, these clouds, whatever you want to call it, to be either red or green. And we're looking for them to be either red or green, and also over this 30 dotted line. Let me see if we can't make that another color. Excuse me, just to make it easier to see. There we go. So now we can see the black dotted line here. So that's the 30 line. So it needs to be either red, like it is right here, and over the 30, or it needs to be green, not this weird brownish puke green, but the bright green, and it needs to be over the 30. And then we have the oscillating line right here, and when the oscillating line is white, that means it is bullish, and when it is gray, that means it is bearish. Its position, according to the zero line, as far as I understand, does not have any bearing. It's basically just a color switch that we're looking for. So for long signals, we're looking for the green cloud or green mountain to well, first of all, we're looking for the mountain to be green. We're looking for it to be over the 30 dotted line, and we're looking for the oscillating line to be white. And that would be a signal to go long. And then on the reverse side, we have a red mountain over the dotted 30, and we are looking for the oscillating line to be gray. And then we would take a short. So that's basically how we will be testing it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the process here and see what we can get out of it. All right, so over here, looks like we get the first signal right there. And you can see that that one does really well, takes off on us pretty decently, definitely getting us to take profit. Second signal we get is going to be right here. It looks like, unfortunately, we may have caught this hard pullback, which got us stopped out. It did. That is unfortunate because it did continue in the direction we wanted it to go in the first place. All right, then we pick up another signal, and we pick it up right there. Let me double check. Yep, that didn't go over to 30 there. It actually went over right there, and that one was a winning trade. Then we pick up a short over here on this side. Let's see. Right there. Let me change the line on this here. Let me change this to purple. Let's see if that gives us the... So I'm looking at these coordinates right here, and you can see when it's dark gray, you can see the coordinates appear there. But when it was white, those coordinates, because the white is also background, would not appear. And so, I mean, I guess technically speaking, when it's white, that means it's you know, still in that, yeah, so it's still in the bullish position. If it's gray, then it would be in bearish. So it switches to a short signal right here, and that one gets us to take profit rather nicely again. So doing pretty well. Let's see here. So looks like we glip into a long signal right here for just a moment before it starts to drop down underneath. So when these mountains are down underneath this 30, that is a signal of a ranging market. And so I don't see any real good examples of it at the moment, but we do pick up a long right here, and it only stays long for a moment before we get stopped out going in the other direction. As nope, actually that would be under, so we didn't pick one up there. Looks like we did pick up a long right there on that one. Let's go ahead and play it out a little bit, and nice, that one got us to take profit. Actually, let me double check this. Yep, it did get us to take profit. Almost got us stopped out, but so far so good. So I'm going to cut some of the video out here. I'm going to pick this up when we get a little bit closer to the end of the year. La 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 la. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. So let's finish up these last couple of signals, and then we will count this out. So we got a long... There was the last signal. Then we picked up a short over here. Looks like right about there on that one. Doesn't look like this one quite got us to take profit. It did not. Let's see, this long signal actually right here. That one would have gotten stopped out, that long wick down there. And then we start popping back up over here on this side. That long right there definitely would have gotten us to take profit. And then that puts us at the end of the year right there. Now, this would be a good time for me to say, if you are interested in dialing in your trading or dialing in your particular strategies, what I highly recommend is that you join our Discord server. Our Discord server has a Patreon only channel within our Discord. And if you join our $9 Patreon, you have access to that channel. In that channel, we have a few, our admin Jay and a few of the other members within that channel post almost daily trade ideas. And they are really significant, decent trade ideas that give you an idea of the ideal market conditions that you should be looking for as a trader to really dial in your trading skills. Just on Jay's trade ideas for the past 2 weeks, not including this week, he has gained over 500 pips in trade ideas, documented, shown within there that he, like I said, gives out every single day. So, like I said, if you're really interested in getting your trading skills dialed in, taking trading seriously, then I highly recommend you join our Patreon and you get on that Patreon only channel within our Discord. So, all right, let's see here. So, let's see. Let me get this dialed in here, right about there. All right, so the RedK Trader Pressure Index. Let's count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So we have 25 signals altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. All right, so that is definitely going to meet the 60% criteria. A really solid indicator here. Huge shout out to the viewer who called this one out to be tested. This is a really decent indicator. It's been a while since we've had one, excuse me, that was able to kind of accomplish two really hard things. One, getting a decent amount over that 60%. I mean, it's not a huge amount over, but still a decent amount to the 60%, but also providing quite a few trading signals within a year. Normally, the indicators that are, well over the 60% or, a decent amount over the 60%, typically they have a small number of trades within the year. So this one really accomplished some decent things, and really its only downfall was right in this area where it hit this choppiness. For whatever reason, it really wasn't able to kind of chop or filter out this consolidation right here, and it really took multiple losing trades back to back right here. Up until that point, it was doing fantastic in a moving market, and so I wouldn't recommend playing with that much, because then you're gonna wipe out some of your winning trades. But yeah, I mean, all in all, just on the default settings, this thing did super well. So I definitely like this indicator. This one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.